You're probably not using the best finance tools with real-time data, and if you are, chances are you're not getting the full value from them. Most videos just list random apps with affiliate links, but I'm not incentivized to sell you anything. I've tested these tools inside real consulting projects and scaled businesses using them, so you're getting a no-fluff breakdown of what actually works. Now don't skip ahead, because in a minute, I'll show you a free tool that gives hedge fund level data without paying Bloomberg prices. You'll want to see that. Let's start with the one tool I always have open, TradingView. Most people know it for crypto charts, but it's one of the most versatile platforms for tracking real-time data across stocks, forex, ETFs, and even macro indicators. What makes it special isn't just the charts, it's the community-sourced indicators and the scriptable alerts. I once built a trigger system using custom Pine script that alerted me when the 10-year yield crossed key thresholds, saved me from a terrible bond trade. If you're still relying on Google Finance charts, you're 10 years behind. Next, Koyfin. This one's underrated. Imagine combining the data depth of Bloomberg with the design of Notion. It gives you real-time data on financial statements, macro trends, yield curves, insider trades, all in a customizable dashboard. I used it to monitor the 2023 regional banking collapse in real time. Everyone was talking about headlines. I was watching deposit outflows and balance sheet risk live. That's the difference real-time data makes. For budgeting and cash flow tracking, most people go with Mint or YNAB, but let me be blunt, they're dated. The tool I recommend now is Monarch Money. It syncs your accounts live, gives you breakdowns on income, savings rate, investment performance, everything in one place. It's the only app I've used where the net worth tracker isn't just a vanity metric. It updates with actual asset prices, debt interest, and even credit score changes. Now here's a hidden gem, Finbox. If you've ever been overwhelmed by financial modeling, this is your shortcut. You get access to real-time valuation models, DCFs, multiples, and risk metrics, all sourced from public filings and market data. I used Finbox to compare valuations across SaaS companies in 2021 before the tech correction. It helped a client avoid investing at the peak. Their dashboard updates automatically when earnings drop or new forecasts come in. That's not just real time, that's real smart. If you're an active investor or just want to track the pulse of the markets daily, check out Quarter. It streams earnings calls, transcripts, slides, and even lets you search management commentary. You'll get insights before the big media outlets even publish their summaries. I once caught a CEO subtly warning about margin compression hidden in the Q&A, sold that stock the same day. It dropped 12% that week. And I promised you a hedge fund level tool that's free, Fred plus Python via notebooks. If you know even a little bit of code, you can pull Fed data, unemployment, CPI, M2 money supply, into graphs and models that update automatically. I once built a real-time recession dashboard for a private investor using only Fred and Google Colab. No subscriptions, just raw, institutional-grade insight. Here's what I want you to remember. Best finance tools with real-time data aren't about quantity. It's about having the right data at the right time, in the right format. Most creators don't tell you this because they're pushing tools with commissions. I'm not. I'm showing you what works based on what I've actually used in high-stakes decisions. And here's the thing most people miss, and why I suggest you watch again if any of this flew over your head. All the tools I mentioned can be combined. Imagine a setup where you track macro trends on Koyfin, dive into asset-level data with TradingView, log performance on Monarch, and model outcomes in Finbox. That's how you stop reacting to news and start forecasting it. If this video gave you value, subscribe. Not for a funnel or a course, but because you want more content that doesn't come with hidden incentives.